are pleased to show you the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: lane departure warning, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front wheel drive, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, heated front seats, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, day and night rear view mirror, tachometer, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, overhead console, power moonroof. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.